Hello,
Hi.
welcome and thanks for joining us today
Pleasure,
at
pleasure.
Fire India.
Pleasure.
Our audience would really glad to know about your experience at Fire India and what products you are showcasing.
Okay.
Let's begin with the first question.
Sure.
So, can you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
So my name is Nikhil Parsuraman. I manage operations for SE Controls India. We're a joint venture partnership with SE Controls UK, who are a global manufacturing manufacturing partner for smoke ventilation solutions. And in India, we've been operating since 2011, and we are servicing customers across Pan India, as well as I manage for the SAARC region as well. And so our solutions are basically to ventilate smoke and to assist in smoke management during fire emergencies.
Perfect, sir. So, which products, like what is the high selling product you are showcasing?
So, I mean, we believe in heroing one product and doing well with what we're doing. So, we have chain and linear actuator systems that work with windows and curtain wall glazing. So, for example, we do airports, commercial grade A buildings, warehouses, malls. So, we have control systems as well as actuation systems that work with the fire alarm system and help alleviate smoke or exhaust smoke from the building. So that's what we do.
That's wonderful, sir. So, sir, in your views, what are your strengths and USB which keeps you unique from others?
Okay, so strength, I would say product is a strength, yes, and our testing is also a strength. But more than anything in India, one thing we have realized is customers like responsiveness as well as good lead times. So these are two things, and the third pillar we work on is technical. So we're technically quite strong in what we do, and we believe in the kind of systems we sell will make betterment for the occupants as well as fire officers. So I would say technical delivery as well as delivery of products and the responsiveness to our customers is our USP.
Perfect, sir. Sir, do you have any message or any message you would like to share with your potential customers, visitors, and individuals exploring your booth today?
So I would say we give a lot of kind of emphasis on smoke compartmentalization or fire compartmentalization and fire suppression, but not much focus is given in India in terms of smoke extraction or smoke ventilation. So I feel that should be kind of prioritized, at least in the coming future, as well as in the upcoming National Building Code 2025, where products like this or other systems like this must be made mandated, because in a glass building there's no other way to take the smoke out other than automating these systems.
Yes.
So I would kindly request people in the industry, architects and consultants, to take a good look at this system and kind of implement it in the projects that they're working on.
That's really incredible message, sir. So, sir, like this year in Mumbai, we are having our next show in New Delhi. Hope to see you next year
Yes,
again.
yes, definitely.
Thank you so much
Prachi.
for your time.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.